Selling your home for the first time can feel like navigating uncharted territory. The process can be overwhelming, filled with questions and uncertainties. Where do you start? What steps should you take to ensure a successful sale? It's a significant financial and emotional decision. Your home is not just a building, it's a place filled with memories and milestones. Deciding to sell can bring a mix of excitement and apprehension. Understanding the process is crucial for a smooth and successful experience. Knowledge is power, and being well-informed can make all the difference. From market trends to pricing strategies, every detail matters. From preparing your home for sale to negotiating offers and closing the deal, each step plays a vital role. Decluttering, staging, and making necessary repairs can significantly impact your home's appeal to potential buyers. This comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the home selling process with ease. You'll learn how to market your home effectively, set the right price, and attract serious buyers. We'll cover everything from maximizing your home's appeal to understanding the legal aspects of the transaction. Knowing the ins and outs of contracts, disclosures, and inspections can prevent costly mistakes and delays. By following these practical tips and insights, you'll be well prepared to sell your home quickly for the best possible price and with minimal stress. Let's get started. With the right guidance and preparation, your home selling journey can be a rewarding and successful experience. Before diving into the specifics of preparing your home for sale, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your financial situation. This means taking a close look at your current assets, liabilities, and overall financial health, and overall goals. Start by determining your motivation for selling. Are you aiming to capitalize on a hot market, or is there a more personal reason driving your decision? Are you looking to upgrade to a larger home? Perhaps your family is growing, and you need more space to accommodate everyone comfortably. Relocating for work or family reasons? Maybe a new job opportunity has come up, or you want to be closer to loved ones. Understanding your why will help guide your decisions throughout the process. It will also help you stay focused and motivated, even when challenges arise. Next, assess your financial standing. Calculate your mortgage balance, estimated selling costs, and desired profit. This includes not just the price you hope to get for your home, but also the costs associated with selling, such as agent fees, closing costs, and any repairs or upgrades needed to make your home market ready. This financial clarity will empower you to set realistic expectations and negotiate effectively. Knowing your numbers will give you confidence when discussing offers and counteroffers. Remember, knowledge is power in real estate. The more informed you are, the better decisions you can make. Consider attending seminars, reading books, or even taking a course on real estate to boost your understanding and confidence. In the world of real estate, first impressions are paramount. Potential buyers form opinions within seconds of stepping inside a home. To make a lasting impact, focus on maximizing your home's curb appeal. Start by sprucing up the exterior with a fresh coat of paint in a neutral, inviting color. Power wash siding, walkways, and decks to remove dirt and grime. Manicure your lawn, trim overgrown bushes, and add pops of color with potted plants. Remember, a well-maintained exterior suggests a well-cared-for interior, enticing buyers to explore further. When preparing your home for sale, it's essential to create a neutral canvas that allows potential buyers to envision themselves living there. This means depersonalizing your space. Pack away family photos, personal mementos, and any items that might distract buyers from seeing the home's features. The goal is to create a clean, clutter-free environment that feels welcoming and spacious. By removing personal items, you allow potential buyers to imagine their own belongings and style within the home. Remember, you're selling a lifestyle, not just a property. Decluttering less is more. Decluttering is an essential step in preparing your home for sale. A clutter-free environment appears larger, brighter, and more inviting to potential buyers. Start by tackling one room at a time. Go through closets, drawers, and storage spaces, donating or discarding items you no longer need or use. Pack away seasonal items, excess furniture, and personal belongings. The goal is to create a sense of spaciousness and tranquility throughout your home. Remember, less is more when it comes to staging a home for sale. Repairs and updates, invest wisely. While it's not necessary to undertake a complete home renovation before selling, Addressing any necessary repairs and making strategic updates can significantly impact your sale price and time on the market. Focus on high-impact areas like the kitchen and bathrooms. Consider refreshing cabinet paint, updating fixtures, and ensuring appliances are in good working order. Address any leaky faucets, cracked tiles, or outdated finishes. Small investments in these areas can make a big difference in the eyes of potential buyers. The art of home staging. Home staging is the art of showcasing your home's best features to appeal to the widest range of potential buyers. It involves a strategic approach to decorating and organizing your home to make it more attractive and desirable. It's about creating a warm, inviting atmosphere that allows buyers to envision themselves living in the space. This emotional connection can be the key to selling your home quickly and for a higher price. Start by arranging furniture in a way that maximizes flow and highlights the home's best features. Consider the layout of each room and how you can make it appear more spacious and functional. Use neutral colors and accents to create a calming and cohesive look. Neutral tones appeal to a broader audience and help potential buyers imagine their own belongings in the space. Enhance natural light by opening curtains and blinds, allowing sunlight to fill the rooms. Natural light makes spaces feel larger and more welcoming, and add soft lighting to create a warm ambiance. Use lamps and soft bulbs to create a cozy and inviting environment, especially in the evenings. Remember, a well-staged home can significantly impact a buyer's perception of value. It can make your home stand out in a competitive market, leading to quicker sales and potentially higher offers. Investing time and effort into home staging can pay off in the long run, making it a crucial step in the home selling process. Pricing your home correctly from the outset is crucial for attracting qualified buyers and avoiding lengthy market time. Overpricing can deter potential buyers, while underpricing can result in leaving money on the table. Work closely with your real estate agent to determine a competitive market value based on recent comparable sales in your area, your home's condition, and current market trends. Pricing it right will generate interest and potentially lead to multiple offers. Once your home is prepped and staged to perfection, it's time to showcase it to the world. High-quality photos and virtual tours are essential for attracting potential buyers online. Work with your real estate agent to ensure your listing photos are well lit, showcase your home's best features, and highlight its unique selling points. Consider creating a virtual tour that allows potential buyers to walk through your home from the comfort of their own devices. The goal is to generate excitement and interest, enticing buyers to schedule in-person showings. Receiving an offer on your home is an exciting milestone. However, it's essential to approach negotiations strategically. Carefully review each offer with your real estate agent, considering not only the purchase price, but also contingencies, closing timelines, and financing terms. Don't be afraid to counteroffer if an initial offer doesn't meet your needs. Remember, negotiation is a two-way street. The goal is to reach an agreement that is mutually beneficial for both you and the buyer. Congratulations, you've accepted an offer. The closing process, also known as escrow, is the final stage of the home selling journey. It involves finalizing all paperwork, transferring ownership, and dispersing funds. Your real estate agent and closing attorney will guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth and legally sound transaction. Be prepared to review and sign numerous documents, including the title report, closing statement, and deed. Once all parties have signed the necessary paperwork, funds are dispersed, and ownership is officially transferred, you'll receive the proceeds from the sale. Selling your home for the first time is a significant accomplishment. By following these practical tips and insights, you've successfully navigated the home selling process with confidence and achieved your real estate goals. Remember, preparation, communication, and a positive attitude are key to a smooth and successful transaction. As you embark on this new chapter, take pride in your accomplishment and embrace the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Congratulations, you did it!